Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to see the area of pathway, that is circular pathway. And we shall recall what we know about circle. Okay, recall. Area of a circle. What is the area of a circle? Yes, pi r square units. The area of a circle. Okay. What is the value of pi? Circumference by diameter. That is equal to 3.14 in decimal. Okay. Then in fraction, yes, 22 by 7. Then what is r here? Radius. R is radius is equal to diameter by 2. Then what is diameter? D is diameter. What is diameter? Yes, 2 into R. 2 times R. Okay. Now we shall see circular pathway. This is a circle, isn't it? This is a circle. Here we have the center point. This is radius. And this full with the line passing through the center and touches the circle on both sides, we call that as diameter. Okay. They have the pathway around they are making a pathway around the garden. Okay. Then they are given the width of the pathway. Now this is small r, radius, small radius r. Okay. Here this is a bigger circle, isn't it? So it is bigger from center to the outer circle. This is the outer circle. Then this is the inner circle. From center to the end of outer circle is capital R. Then center to the inner circle is small r. Okay. We take this as small r. OA is equal to small r. OB is equal to capital R. This is the width. Okay. Small r plus W we get capital R. Isn't it? Small r plus W we get capital R. Then capital R minus W is equal to small r. Capital R minus W is equal to small r. Then W is equal to capital R minus small r. Okay. Have you understood? Okay. This is the garden. Inner circle is the garden. They are making the pathway around the garden. So the width of the pathway is W. Then the inner radius is small r. The inner circle radius is small r. Then the outer circle radius is capital R. Okay. We have taken inner radius and outer radius. Okay. Now we shall calculate the area of the circular pathway. We have to calculate this area, the outer area. Okay. So, how will we calculate? The area of full circle area minus area of the inner circle. Okay. We will find the full circle area. In that we are subtracting the area of the garden. That is inner circle, area of inner circle. If we subtract that, we will get the area of pathway. Have you understood? The area of the circular pathway is equal to pi into capital R square minus pi into small r square. Okay. So both we have pi. So you take common outside. Then pi into, remaining in this is capital R square, remaining in this is small r square. So pi into r square minus r square, square units. This is the formula to find the circular pathway, area of the circular pathway. Then we shall see the example 2.15. A park is circular in shape. The central portion has playthings for kids surrounded by a circular walking pathway. Find the walking area whose outer radius is 10 meter and inner radius is 3 meter. The center portion is the park. Okay. The park is in the shape of circle. Here you have that swing, seesaw, like that we have. That are the playthings for kids. Okay. Surrounded by a circular walking pathway. Okay. Surrounded by this area we have a walking pathway. Okay. Find the walking area whose outer radius is 10 meter and inner radius is 3 meter. Then they are given the small r and capital R. Yeah. Solution. The radius of outer circle capital R is 10 meter. Then radius of inner circle small r is equal to 3 meter. Okay. Here we no need to find the W and all. If you want to find means, right, what is W here? What is the width of the pathway? Capital R minus small r. We know that, isn't it? So, width of the pathway is 10 minus 3 is equal to 7 meter. This they didn't ask. So, we no need to find. Okay. But you must know the area of the circular pathway. Area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. Pi into capital R square minus pi into small r square, which is equal to pi into capital R square minus small r square. Okay. So you take the pi value as 22 by 7, then 10 square minus 3 square, that is 22 by 7 into 100 minus 9. Okay. And 22 by 7 into 100 minus 9 is 91. Yes. Then 91 you can cancel by 7. 1 times 7 ones are 7, remaining 2, 21, that is 13. So 22 into 13 is equal to 286 meter square. So the area of the circular pathway is equal to 286 meter square. Okay. Then we shall see the example 2.16. The radius of the circular garden is 21 meter. Okay. A circular path of 14 meter wide. They are given the width of the circular path. Okay. W is equal to 14 meter. Is laid around the garden. Find the area of the circular path. What are the things they are given? They are given the radius of a garden, that is 21 meter, and 14 meter, that is the width. 14 meter pathway. W, width of the pathway is 14 meter. Then what is capital R here? That is 21 plus 14. From this to this we have 21. Here the width is 14. So 21 plus 14 will get the capital R, isn't it? Then capital R is equal to 35 meter. So the radius of outer circle is equal to 35 meter. Now we know the capital R and small r, isn't it? Using that we can find the area of the circular pathway. Okay. The circular area of the circular pathway is equal to, at right way also, that to right pathway, pi into capital R square minus small r square, square units. Okay. Now 22 by 7 into capital R is 35 square minus 21 square is equal to 22 by 7 into 35 into 35, that is 35 square, minus 21 into 21. 21 into 21 we know 441. Then you multiply 35 into 35. You will get 1225. From this you have to subtract 441. Then the answer is 784. So now you cancel 7 and 1 times 7. Again 1 times. Remaining 1 here. 14. That is 2 times. Okay. Then 22 into 112 is equal to 2464 meters square. So the answer is the area of the circular pathway is equal to 2464 meters square. And we shall see the example 2.17. The radius of the circular cricket ground is 76 meter. A drainage 2 meter wide has to be constructed around the cricket ground for the purpose of draining the rainwater. Okay, they are given the radius of the inner circle, isn't it? Radius of the inner circle is 76 meter. W they are given. You have to find the capital R and find the area of the cricket. Okay, constructed drainage. Area of the drainage. Cost of constructing the drainage at the rate of rupees 180 per square meter. Solution. The radius of the inner circle, that is cricket ground, okay, is 76 meters. So small r is equal to 76 meter. The drainage is constructed around it, that is 2 meter. That is the width W. Okay. The radius of the outer circle R is equal to capital R is equal to small r plus W meter. That is 78 meter. Okay. Now we have found the capital R. Then area of the circular path is equal to pi into r square minus r square square units. Now 22 by 7 into 78 square minus 76 square. So 78 square is 6084 minus 5776 is the 76 square. Is equal to 22 by 7 into, you subtract these two, then you will get 308. Okay. Now 22, you can cancel these two. That is 4 times. 7 4s are 28. Again remainder 2. Again 28. 4 times. So 22 into 44 is equal to 968 meters square. So area of the pathway we have found as meters square, 968 meters square. Construct the drainage. Cost of constructing the drainage per square meter is equal to rupees 180. So 968 meters square is equal to 968 into 180. So the cost of constructing drainage is equal to rupees 1,74,240. This is exercise 2.3, second problem. There is a circular lawn of radius 28 meter, a path of 7 meter which is laid around the lawn. What will be the area of the path? That is the path 7 meter which is laid around the lawn. This is the W. 7 meter is W and 28 meter is the small r. So solution. Radius of the circular lawn R, small r is equal to 28 meter. We have to draw the diagram like this. This is a 28 meter. Then this is a W, isn't it? W is 7 meter. Here center to this outer circle is capital R. That you have to find. Capital R is equal to small r plus W. That is 35 meter. So small r is 28 meter and capital R is 35 meter. Now you have to find the area of the path. Okay. Area of the circular path is equal to pi into r square minus r square square units. That is 22 by 7 into 35 square minus 28 square meter square. You have to multiply this 2 times. Then you will get 1225. 28 square is 784. When you subtract these two, we will get 441. Okay. Now you can cancel Cancel and see. 6 times 42. Then remaining 2. 21. That is 3 times. 7 3s are 21. So 22 into 63 is equal to 1386 meters square. So the answer is area of the circular path is equal to 1386 meters square. Fourth problem. That is a school ground is in the shape of a circle. Okay, with radius 103 meter. The school ground is in the shape of a circle, that is 103 meter. 4 tracks each of 3 meter. Here 4 tracks they are given. Okay, has been constructed. Over track 3 meter wide. Inside the ground. For the purpose of track events. Find the cost of constructing the track at the rate of ₹50 per square meter. In the fourth problem, solution. Radius of the ground is 103 meter. The wide of one track is 3 meter. Then we have 4 tracks now. So 4 3s are 12 meter. Okay. Then radius of the inner ground, capital R is equal to 103 minus 12. So you have to subtract these all tracks and see that the inner ground radius will get. That is 91 meter. 103 minus 12 is equal to 91 meter. Now area of 4 tracks is equal to area of the ground minus area of the ground without track. Okay. Ground without track. That is capital R square, pi into capital R square minus pi into small r square. Then pi capital pi into R square minus R square, square units. Okay. Pi into R square minus R square, square units. 22 by 7 into 103 square minus 91 square. Then 103 square is 10609 minus 8281, that is 91 square. Now you subtract these two, will get 2328. Here it cannot cancel by 7. So you divide by 7. Like this you divide. Then 3 times, again 3 times, then again 2 times. Okay, you keep point. The 4 is not enough, so you are adding 1 0. Then 5 times, then again remainder 5, again we add 1 0, that is 7 times 49. Okay. 2 digit is enough. Now you multiply this number by 22. We will get 7316.54 meter square. Then answer. Area of the 4 tracks is equal to 7316.54 meter square. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.